this out, you guys. This is incredible right here. Not sure if anyone can see, but right in the top of that tree from this angle is that same American eagle. And I just changed the angle of my camera here. And you know what? We are in the land of opportunity. Hope everyone's doing absolutely incredible today. Trev Bucheri here, Core Capacity Transformations and TB Growth Academy. We all have dreams. We all have dreams. And we are in a place that we take for granted 100%. You know, and really I'm here to say is that whatever you have is a dream. You can turn into a reality by simply taking action. That's what it is, you know, and no one's stopping you but yourself. At the end of the day, you know, we doubt ourselves, and yes, there's going to be challenge along the way. Yes, there's going to be fear along the way, but the only person who's standing in the way of your dreams coming true is you and your decision. You make the decision, and when you make the decision, you commit to everything along the way, and that is what dreams are made of. Dreams are not supposed to be easy. Dreams are supposed to be filled with challenge. When they're filled with challenge and you actually triumph over those challenges, the reward that you get on the other side is fulfillment. You know, and you are able to break through stuff that you basically thought you never could before, that you were never capable of, and that is what makes a dream a dream. That is what makes a dream a story on the other side. Because if it were simple, and if it were handed to you, and if it were something that basically you were able to accomplish in a day, would it be something that's memorable? Of course, we all know the answer to that. We all have the opportunity. We all have, you know, that potential. You know, it's just a matter of, are we going to actually listen to what we want to do, or are we just going to basically give ourselves a sob story and say, hey, you know what, unfortunately I'm stuck in this position that I don't love. I'm stuck in this job that's basically a dead-end job. Well, guess what? This is the place to make it happen, and today is the day to make the choice to make it happen, because only you can do that. Only we can do that. All right, it's up to us to do it. And I know, you know what, dreams are basically called dreams for a reason, because dreams are not the reality. The only thing that is going to bring them into fruition is action. And the only time, and the best time to do that, is absolutely now. Because as soon as we say, tomorrow I'm going to do it, next week we're going to do it, the only reason we're not taking action right now is because of one thing, and it's called fear. And the only reason we have that fear is because of self-doubt. Self-doubt. But guess what? You can do it. If you commit to it, you can do it. If you are willing to put in the work and you are willing to do what's necessary to make it happen, you can do it. Regardless of what the challenge is, you just need to believe in yourself and commit to doing the freaking work. That's what it comes down to, man. We are in the land of opportunity. Let's get it done. I believe in you. Let's do this thing together. Hope you got a bunch out of that today. Hope it lifted you guys up, and basically you're starting to jump off the couch and starting to think about, hey, how can I apply that idea that I've had in the back of my mind for a long, long time? That's what it's all about. Make that dream a reality today. Hope you got a bunch. Again, guys, Trev Bucheri here, Core Capacity Transformations, TB Growth Academy. Have an incredible rest of your day. Take care.